Facts about high-quality cassava peels, HQCP, as an alternative energy source to substitute maize in livestock diets. Transforming cassava peel into nutritious animal feed has the potential to partially replace maize in animal feed while reducing environmental pollution, minimizing post-harvest losses, and reducing the cost of livestock feed. This crop waste byproduct could be a valuable feed alternative. 1. High-quality cassava peels are energy-rich and have a nutritional value close to maize. When used in animal feed, it reduces the amount of maize needed, which lowers the costs of production and frees up valuable grain for human consumption. 2. In broiler diets specifically, high-quality cassava peels could replace 20% of maize, with no effect on growth performance, feed conversion, and body weight. 3. For laying birds, high-quality cassava peels can replace 35% of maize in layers' chickens' feed ration, and result in a 10 to 15% reduction in the cost of feed for poultry farmers, with no adverse effects on egg production. 4. In pigs, high-quality cassava peel mash can replace up to 75% of maize in the diet of growing pigs, with about a 4% reduction in cost per kilogram weight gain, without any adverse effect on the pig's growth performance. 5. Also, high-quality cassava peel can successfully replace maize in the practical diets of catfish, with no effect on the growth performance, feed conversion, and body weight. 6. High-quality cassava peels with 10 to 12% moisture content can be stored for 6 months. This innovation was developed with a technique for processing wet cassava peels into a high-quality, safe, nutritious livestock feed within 24 hours, transforming 3 tons of wet peel into 1 ton of dried cassava peel mash.